Hi Domain, I'm Dean Ipaviz. I'm a licensed builder and I'm really passionate about responsible construction. We're here in the Byron hinterland exploring this amazing renovation. Come with me, and let's find out what makes it so unique. The heart of any home, the kitchen, we're talking full electrification from the induction cooktop all the way through to the oven. Now, why would you do that? Taking advantage of a 6 kilowatt solar system, most city locations have got a gas line coming into the house, but now we're only dealing with one utility, and that's electricity, which most of the time that's powered by the solar system on the roof, which is awesome. Another massive feature of this home is the ventilation. You've got these beautiful vaulted ceilings and these fans, and the inside-outside cooking features here are amazing. You've got beautiful ventilation coming through this screen, which has been custom built into the joinery. So we allow that ventilation to come through. You can cook inside, you can go outside on the pizza oven or on the barbecue. All the time you can keep the critters out with these awesome fly screens. You really start to get a sense of the ventilation that's available in this house when you come through to this amazing living area, and you've got cross ventilation through to the front door and over to the side, starting with these 4-stack bifold doors, which in winter can be fully closed up and made sure that it's nice and warm, and then in summer can be opened all the way up with these fly screens, which I think is a great touch. One of the other great features, this incredible cedar cladding, which is really hard to get your hands on in Australia these days. The original renovation, they started pulling down the internal walls, and they exposed all this cedar, which they then ran through a thicknesser and then gave it a new lease on life with a beautiful matte finish, and I think it looks amazing in this house. In keeping with the upcycling and the recycling theme, one of the features kept from the original house is this awesome little daybed area, which gives us great views out to the east and northeast, which is obviously that beautiful winter light. A great place to sit on the original cushions that have been upcycled with brand new upholstery, and you can see that the themes now, these beautiful browns and reds. This area is sensational. We're always after that new house or that new car smell. But unfortunately, that new car or that new house smell is actually the off-gassing of harmful chemicals known as VOCs, which are volatile organic compounds. It's a wool carpet and uses zero VOC paint on all the walls, which really works well with the green carpet. And then you're tying in that green and the browns from the outside, which also work really well with that timber. You can see throughout this house, there's a real theme tying that all together. Water, often overlooked in any renovation or new build, and I've got no idea why. I think everyone at some point in their life should have to live off water tanks. This house has done it really well. You've got gutter guard on all the gutters, protecting any of that leaf litter from entering the system, and everything's being captured into the tanks you see behind me. Just over 45,000 litres of water, which for a family of 3 is pretty good, but you've still got to keep your eyes on your water usage. All that water funnels straight down to this amazing UV filtration system, ensuring you're drinking some of the cleanest, best water known to man. So the cornerstone of any renovation or new build, in my opinion, has got to be a solar system on obviously your inverter, potentially if you can afford it, batteries. There's no doubt there's some upfront costs there, but when you start looking big picture and long term, you can start to see where those paybacks are going to come from. You electrify your house, you install a solar system, and you install some batteries. It's a no-brainer. All right, folks, we've got 3 major things going on here. We've got a 210mm wall cavity. What's sitting inside that wall cavity? We've got this carbon negative wood fibre insulation. It's made of reconstituted timber products. It's got a really high thermal mass, better than concrete. What sits outside that? This incredible WRB from ProClimate. It's vapor permeable, letting any of that moisture inside the house out, but also protecting the weather from getting back in. You can't get water inside this. Vapor permeability is the key to any renovation, in my opinion. What else is going on? You've got this carbon negative external timber cladding. So again, this can be pulped at the end of its life and sent back into the garden. So it's got more carbon sequestered than it's ever going to emit. So between the insulation and the cladding, you've got a house that can be essentially put back into the garden at the end of its life. So there you have it, Domain, an insight into what a responsible renovation can look like. And when you think about it, why wouldn't you want to renovate responsibly when we're trying to protect something as precious as this?